Here's a solution for day 4, problem 1. Solve for x, and we know that the triangles are similar. So because they're similar, we can create a proportion between corresponding parts. Just make sure you get the correct sides lined up with the correct sides. The side with the 88 corresponds to the side with the 24, and then the 5x plus 11 corresponds to the 18. So the proportion would look like this. 88 is to the 24 as 5x plus 11 is to the 18. So here's one way to create the proportion. We can solve this proportion using cross multiplication. 24 times the 5x plus 11 is equal to 88 times the 18. I'm going to divide both sides by 24. That will cancel away the 24, leaving the 5x plus 11. On the right side, on a calculator, 88 times 18 divided by 24. That makes 66. Then subtract 11 from both sides, and we get 5x equals 55. Divide both sides by 5, and x equals 11. And that's what we were asked to figure out. Now, day 4, problem 2. Find the value of x. X is the distance from here to here. It's the length of this segment. I notice that that is part of the segment from the center all the way to the edge of the circle, which is called a radius. We know that the other part of that radius is 7 units. This segment going all the way across the circle through the center is called a diameter, and it is 31.8. The radius of a circle is half the diameter. So if we divide 31.8 by 2, we can find the length of the radius. 31.8 divided by 2 is 15.9. So the distance from the center out to the edge is 15.9 units. Likewise, from the center to this edge is 15.9. And more importantly, from the center all the way to this edge is 15.9. If this much of it is 7, we could subtract 7 from 15.9 to find the answer for x. So 15.9, subtract away the 7, is 8.9. So the x has to be 8.9 units.